Good morning, students. In my previous video, I started the chapter 3, matter, and in that video, I have given you what is matter and that states of matter. How many states are there? 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. And about intermolecular space, intermolecular force, cohesive force, everything I taught in my previous video. Now, as I taught you, there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. So some properties are there of solid, liquid, and gas. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate you something, that properties of solids and liquid. Okay. For this, I am having one empty glass, one bowl, a potato, half potato I have taken, a glass full water, a bottle full water, and a knife. See, if I pour this potato, okay, if I pour this potato in this glass, you can see its shape will not change. And again, I can take this potato as it is. Its shape does not change. And if I put it in bowl, then also same thing. No change in shape of this potato. And if I cut it, see, I can cut it easily because it is rigid. Understood? So for solids, we can say that solids are rigid and it does not change its shape and size. And if we talk about water, which is liquid, if we talk about water, which is liquid, it is in bottle, okay? And in bottle, when it has taken the shape of bottle. And if I pour this water into glass, it is taking the shape of this glass. Understood? And if I pour it in designer bowl, you can see the water has taken the shape of this designer bowl. And if I want to cut this water, can I cut? No. So what we can say, liquids are loosely packed and it takes the shape of that container in which we pour it. This is the property of liquid. So property of solid and liquid, the main property that solids cannot change its shape and liquid change its shape according to the container in which we pour it. Understood, students? So this was the demonstration for properties of solids and liquids. Now our next demonstration to show that smaller particles occupy in intermolecular spaces between the bigger particles. I am having some makhanas in a glass, okay, and I have taken some sugar, okay, some sugar I have taken. If I pour this one, you can see this one is full glass, okay, see this one. But some spaces you can see between these makhanas, some spaces are there, okay. If we pour this sugar in this glass, you can see the sugar is taking the empty places. So for this, to see this, what we can say, that smaller particles case of phi, the intermolecular spaces between the bigger particles. To demonstrate this, I want to give you one more example. When you make a lemonade, okay, in water you put some lemon and some sugar and some salt. Then you cannot see the salt and sugar and lemon after dissolving it. You cannot see. You see only a glass water. Okay? But when you taste it, you can taste just like lemon. Then where that salt and that sugar has gone? Listen. Water molecules are like this. The molecules of water like this. It is like this. When we pour salt and sugar and lemon, the molecules of sugar, salt and lemon goes in between these places. Which one is empty? Okay? These places. In between two molecules, three molecules of water. That is why it dissolves. And you cannot see salt and sugar and lemon after dissolving. Understood? So this was the demonstration for these two properties. First one, solids and liquids, so properties of solids and liquids, and second one, smaller particles always occupy the intermolecular spaces between bigger particles. Understood, students? So for today, only this much. Thank you.